Today, for your response to reading, we would like for you to think about the book Our Seasons that you read yesterday. We want you to think about what your favorite season is, and in your Reader's Writer's Notebook, make a list of words to describe it. So if you're thinking of summer, hot, maybe the beach, maybe water, maybe sun, all the different things that remind you of that favorite season. And after you're done making your list, you are going to turn your list into a haiku about your favorite season. A haiku is a poem that doesn't necessarily rhyme. So here are some examples of haikus. A fat bee stings me. It hurts very badly, but I do not cry though. Also another one. Ladybugs are red and have black spots on their wings, experts at flying. Haikus focus on the number of syllables in them versus the rhyming. So let's look at Ladybugs Are Red, this ladybug one. The title, I would call it Ladybugs. And then line 1 should only have 5 syllables. So we have ladybugs are red, 5 syllables. And for line 2, it should only have 7 syllables and have black spots on their wings, 7 syllables. And then in the last one, it should only have 5 syllables, experts at flying. So you can clap out the syllables to figure it out, but you should create short little sentences to create a haiku of your own about your favorite season. Have fun writing your poem.